How much money do you need to retire comfortably? Financial experts often cite a figure between $1 and $2 million for retirement. That number terrifies most people who haven't started saving yet. But what if the actual amount you need is completely different from what everyone says? Today, you'll discover how to calculate your real retirement number based on your lifestyle. If this helps, subscribing takes 2 seconds. The most common retirement calculation uses the 4% rule. This means you can withdraw 4% of your savings annually without running out. If you need $40,000 per year, you'd need $1 million saved. Need $80,000? That's $2 million required. This rule comes from historical stock market data spanning decades. It assumes a balanced portfolio of stocks and bonds. The math is simple, but the reality gets complicated fast. Someone living in rural Texas needs far less than someone in Sydney or London. Housing costs alone can triple your requirements depending on location. Healthcare expenses vary wildly by country and personal health history. Some retirees spend more in early retirement years traveling and pursuing hobbies. Others spend less as they age and slow down. Your personal retirement number depends entirely on these individual factors. A blanket figure of $1 million means nothing without context. Here's something wild. Some people retire comfortably on $500,000. Others burn through $3 million and still worry about money. Start by tracking your current monthly expenses for 3 months straight. Multiply your average monthly spending by 12 for your annual cost. Remove work-related expenses like commuting and professional clothes from that total. Add estimated healthcare costs based on current insurance data in your country. Consider inflation at roughly 3% annually over your retirement span. Multiply your final annual need by 25. That's your personal retirement target using the 4% rule. This calculation gives you a realistic goal instead of a scary headline number. Your retirement number is personal, not universal. Which factor surprised you most? Location costs, healthcare, or the 4% rule itself? Subscribe for the next video on how to actually build that retirement fund starting from zero.